So, hello students, I'm Deepika Saraswat. Today I have a video for you, which is related with your very much new subject of your new semester. So, students, here I'm going to welcome you all in your new coming session, July December 2020, and this is our basic lecture one, which is related with our basic knowledge of subjects. So students, here the subject that we are going to study, which is internet and web technology. So in this video I just take a small look about the internet and some terms about that we'll use in our internet and web technology. So first of all, students, we'll try to discuss that what is internet here. So as you all are known very much familiar about the term internet, means a kind of connection, network connection. But what's new in this subject? In this subject, the things that actual happening on the internet, or we can say such kind of applications, such kinds of web pages that we are using on the internet, we can just see on the internet. So here we are going to design all these things and create all these things, or we can say develop all the things. So students, in this subject we'll try to develop the internet connectivity, or we can say kinds of web pages that we are going to use in a internet, on the internet also. So students, in this subject there are some basics of this presentation, which are some outlines. So in this presentation we have some prerequisites about this topic. We have some objective also, and we have some study about just like introduction to internet, and we have some points about www. We have some points about the application areas, and we have some points about the html, which is very much important thing here. And at last we'll go to some learning outcomes of the subject, and I have taken some references also here. So students, if a very basic talk if I do with you, which is the prerequisites means the things which you have already studies about the subject, or that you have already known about the subject. So suppose if I am going to teach you the subject internet and web tech, and I'll tell you just study that subject. So first of all, the things that will come in your mind, that you should be always have the knowledge about the internet, about some knowledge of the web browsers, and a very much important protocol that we always use on the internet, which is HTTP protocol. So students, you always whenever we work on the internet, the very basic protocol that we'll use on the web page, which is the http protocol. So we should know the knowledge about the http protocol, which is hypertext transmission protocol. Now one more thing that we should know about, which is the we can say objective or aim to study that subject. So aim is only one, that we all know very much familiar about the internet. We all are very much familiar about the types of network. We all are very much familiar about the communication medias, communication link, all of those things which are related with the internet, multimedias also, some medium of transmission also, which we call transmission media. So there are so many things by which we just connect the internet, that these are those things which are using in a internet. And previously we also discuss about some topologies also, and some connection oriented path also, that we have already discussed in our previous semester, in a basics of networks. So there are so many things which are related with the internet, but the only one motive to study this subject is to develop the web application. And why we relate these application with the internet? Because all these web application are run on the internet. So here the only objective is that to develop the modern web application which using the client and the server side technologies and the web design fundamentals. So there are some basic things that we'll discuss in this subject. Now, again, an important thing that we should know about the knowledge of the internet. So what is internet actually? As we all know that internet, it means a interconnection network. Interconnection means a network which connects several networks, several computers in itself. We can say it's a kind of interconnection between the several computers, maybe several systems of the different types. It may be a connection between some computers and some mobile phone also. It may be a connection between mobile to mobile also. It may be a connection between computer to computer also. It may be a connection between any workstation to a computer also. So we can see internet is a combination of it may be a similar kinds of system or it may be a different kinds of systems. And if we talk about the internet, so it just start in a decade of 1960s, and there was a very basic kind of internet is used, which name is ARPANET, and that was very basic internet and which was used in a particular AT&T lab, and that is only used for the lab purpose. But whenever the decades are coming around, the things are going to change, and the role of the network is very much useful for the users also. So here that the network that we are using for our purpose, then that internet is totally usable for the user also. So here because the user is very much habitual, and we can say very much uh, usable for the internet, and it's very much needy for the internet, because if we say that there are so many kinds of tasks, either it's related with developing, designing, teaching, studying, either it may be any office related task. There are so many tasks which are related with the internet. So these all are things which is related with the internet. Now the important thing which is that the word which is always related to the internet, which is www. So students, so whenever we want to go to the URL, and whenever we want to browse some website, so we always write www dot like google.com. So what it mean www here? Www is a word which always reachable to and which provide us the reachability to uh, catch the proper destination that where we want. So this is a kind of format in which we always write the name of any particular website. And here the www, which is the combination of network accessible information here. And we can also say that it's a kind of mediator. Mediator means it's provides some knowledge by using some protocols in world manner. Just like whenever we want to if we want to use a protocol like HTTP protocol, FTP protocol, all these things we'll discuss later in the subjects. You should only know about that there is some protocols by which we perform all the tasks. And one more thing that you always, I think you always are familiar about the word OSI model that you have already discussed in your second semester. This is the very basics of networks. So I think here you all have the very much familiar with the term protocols, and you have already discussed about the number of protocols also. So this is the only term that I'm using here. Now in this protocol, like I want to reach about the HTTP protocol. So with the help of that www word, I just reach to the HTTP protocol. Now one more thing that I'll use, that the world way means to connect with the internet. So the word www is very much important word whenever we want to access the internet. Now, if we talk about some application areas of the internet and some application areas or www, because here we are going to design some web pages in this subject. So first of all, we should know about the things that what are those areas in which we can design the web pages, and what are those areas in which the web pages are going to in working. So first of all we should know about some those areas on which application are very much, application of internet is very much heavy on that area. So we can say there are some few major uses of internet, which are, we can say, just like e-commerce. E-commerce means for a commercial purpose. Some e-learning process, uh, just we are going to study with any websites, and here where we are going to uh, do some assignments with the help of some websites. So with the help of this e-learning, it's very much familiar. And second, for the knowledge sharing, obviously we can share our data and knowledge with the help of internet also. It's very much knowledgeable in some social connectivity, just like we are using so many kinds of social websites, just like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So there are so many social connectivity websites where we are going to use that internet. Some more applications, just like it's a variety of uh, number of medias, just like transmission medias, and there are so many transmissions of media, just like mobiles. It may be a laptop, it may be any kinds of connecting devices, and some medias, just like for the file transfer communication medias, we can say. Some more things that we are also using, like Gmail connectivity, some more message passing connectivity. So there are so many things, so many areas where we are performing with the internet. Now students, that were all about the internet, that what is internet and what are the uses of internet. So this is a single part of the subject, which is internet. Now the another word of the subject, which is web technology. So how we'll connect and how we'll going to design with the web technology terms, because here we are going to design some web pages. So the platform that we are going to design a web pages, which is a very basic platform that we'll study in this subject, which is HTML. So HTML is not a very big deal. It's a kind of language. It's a scripting language, very easy language, and its use of this language is only to design the web pages. So here, with the help of this HTML, with its tags, with its quotations, with its line of codes, we just going to design some web pages. So if we talk about the HTML, it's a hypertext markup language. And the motive of using this HTML, which is the first motive, is to create some static web pages, and the another one is dynamic web pages. So this is very basic two things that we'll discuss here. The static web pages, it means the web page which is used only whenever we just create a web page which is a offline mode, and the dynamic web pages which always use when we create a web page in a online mode. So dynamic web page is always connect with some backend database here with the connectivity of the PHP platform. So this is the another task. So the page which are connected with the backend, which it's known as dynamic web page. So these all things will design in the subject. Now we talk about some learning outcomes of this subject. So we can say this is totally web application based and technological application will develop here, just like web pages. So here all these application of concepts of topic and its technological applications, just like web pages, will going to design. And student, at last I want to say one thing, that in this video I just try to only understand about the term, that what is internet and what are its uses, very basic about the internet. And in the next video of this related, we'll talk about some protocols, so that previously, first of all, we'll understand about the internet and its related protocol, and then the secondly, when we move to the another unit, then we'll going to design the web pages. These are some references books that which are very much very much effective books for our learning. So you just always use the use of any of one book, either in a PDF manner, and it's easily available on the internet. So you just use these books and try to understand the book and read the books, because it's very good practice if we always use a particular book to study any topic. So don't go any of the different sites. Always we should study about a particular book here. So this is all about the very basics of this subject. So student, I hope you will understand all the things that I have discussed here. So one more thing, that I just conclude all the tasks, that what are the things that we have discussed here. We have simply discussed here about the knowledge of the internet. Secondly, we have discussed about the term www. Secondly, we have discussed about some basic applications of internet, so that we can further move for the web designing. So for the web designing, we'll using here the term which is HTML language. So this subject is a combination of internet and the combination of HTML, by which we can design a very much effective web pages. So students, I hope you will understand about all the things, and in the next video we'll just continue according to our syllabus. Thank you so much.